Inflating Club channel, where learning meets fun. S-T-E-A-M, S-T-E-A-M, S-T-E-A-M. It's STEAM. STEAM is fun. Yay! Okay, so today we'll be performing an amazing and wonderful experiment. And guess what? The name of the experiment is called self-inflating balloon. Wow! So what is self-inflating balloon? Self-inflating balloon simply means a balloon inflating on its own without having to use a mouth or a pump. So now let's get through the process. The first thing is to list the materials we need in making our self-inflating balloon. So the materials we need, number one, we need a balloon, and the color of the balloon here is color pink. We need a bottle, a 500 ml bottle. We need baking soda, and we need vinegar. The major materials needed for this experiment is baking soda and vinegar. Another name for baking soda is called sodium bicarbonate, and sodium bicarbonate is a base. While for the vinegar contains acetic acid, and the vinegar is an acid, it's a weak acid. Let's see what happens when you mix vinegar and baking soda together, and acid and base together. Let's see what happens. Then after that, we're going to perform our experiment. Okay, now so let's observe the reaction of vinegar and baking soda. Ooh. So what just happened now? The reaction here, when baking soda and vinegar react together, it gives foams and bubbles, and this is it. So back to our self-inflating balloon experiment. Did you know that vinegar and baking soda can inflate a balloon? Let's try it. Now let's see what happens on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Wow! Steam is fun! So can you see? So baking soda and vinegar can inflate a balloon, and this is called self-inflating balloon. This is beautiful! It's getting bigger. So baking soda and vinegar can inflate a balloon. This is called self-inflating balloon. For more fun and amazing experiments, don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, and share. Bye!